Okay, so before we will start, let us pray first in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Prayer to Saint Rita. O glorious Saint Rita, thou did share in the marvelous manner the sorrowful passion of our Lord Jesus Christ. Grant me the grace to suffer in patience the miseries of this life, and be my refuge in all my necessities. Amen. Saint Rita, pray for us. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Okay, so once again, good morning, everyone. So as usual, you'll be having a continuation, no, of our computations for night shift differential, overtime, premium pay, and then holiday pay. So when we talk about premium pay, again, this is for special holiday and for rest day. No, rest day Sunday is special holiday. If it's a regular holiday, we call it holiday pay. Okay. The night shift differential, if inyong duty is from 10 p.m. to 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. Okay, wait one second. Let me share my screen. Actually, I've uploaded the sample kahapon, no? Hindi mo siya exactly sample, but slides na ay mga guide computations. It's far more complicated than the previous one since katong pag Tuesday is kuan naman to siya. Basic, no? Okay, wait lang. So actually, dapat dili ang guidelines for holiday pay. Kung magsagunson abi ang double holiday, nya unsay guidelines niya. Di na ko to siya balikon kay gi-discuss naman ako ato, no. Like for example, regular daily wage ang ma-receive nimo on an on-work regular holiday if you are a monthly paid employee. But if mo apply sa inyong work nga dili mo paid on like regular holidays, no? If you're a daily paid employee, then no work, no pay. So lahi na po na siya nga arrangement. Okay? So kani siya entitled ra ka sa 100% of your basic wage even if you do not work on a regular holiday if you are a monthly paid employee. If you are a daily paid employee, depende na siya. Again, we will look back to our Dole handbook. Sa kaning computation. Gibalik naman ako ni pero just a reminder lang in case you forget, no. So okay. So para sa ninyo monthly paid employees, all days of the year including rest days, regular holidays, and special non-working days, you are paid aning mga adlaw even if wala mo ning duty. So dili mo apply ang no work, no pay, no. But for daily paid employees, if you can remember, you are required to work every day. So, if dili ka mo trabaho on a regular holiday, no, you will not be given times 2 of your daily salary, and there's a possibility dili pa ka ma-compensated. It depends on the guidelines kay again, no, depende man sa SOP of policies per workplace. Pero nakita ninyo diri nga mas daghan siya og number of days than the regular 365. It is because they are required to work every day, including holidays and rest days. Pero paid sila double the amount or nasa like 30% additional. Because only rest days and special non-working days ang naay 30%, while ang regular holiday is times 2 ang imuhang daily wage. Recap na to, so nakalimot ka, no? So katong do not work and are not considered paid on Sundays and rest days, less than ang number of days nila in a year, 313 lang rather than 365. It is because they are not paid on their rest day, meaning ana nga if dili sila mo duty on their rest day, they will not be compensated for like as premium pay. At the same time wala pod sila regular daily wage, no? Unlike sa monthly paid employee, masking dili pa ko mo duty sa Saturday Sunday man siya na ang regular nga rest day sa teacher, no? Pero honestly speaking, dili man sila matawag Japon og rest day kay ang teacher gatrabaho man Japon during weekends, no? Maski naa siya sa balay. But anyway, it is considered nga non-working day man ang Saturday Sunday for teachers supposedly, no? But since like us, no, we are monthly paid employees, maski hindi pa mi mo duty or di ko muhimog trabaho, no, depende raman sa akong konsensya. If dili ko magtrabaho sa weekends, then kuan ra, no, sweldoan ra Japon kuan na. But for daily paid employees, it's really different. So in here, lessen ang number of days nga compensated because wala na ihap diri ang rest days because they are not required to work and get paid on a rest day. Then mas mo lessen pa jud siya samot, no, if they are not required to they are not considered paid on Saturdays and Sundays and rest days. So ang ihapon ra is ang special non-working days, regular holidays, and ordinary work days like Monday to Friday. So that's 261. So mo itong dapat i-remember. So diri, this only applies if we go back to our holiday pay rules. The 100% basic wage, even if he or she did not report for work, or even if wala siya ni duty, is only applicable for monthly paid employees. Hello, check na ko kung... Hello. Lagi mo tingog ang ako ang recording. Sige lang. Dili siya mo... Okay. In-work na di akong mic. Sorry. I had to make sure, no, kay basta niya ga-record ko diri ba niya. Pag playback, dili ay siya mo. Wala di na capture ang audio. Anyway, going back. And then, per naapod tayo, considerations, anino, kay even if you do not work on a holiday, if mo absent ka a day before the holiday, okay, so there's a possibility you'll not be compensated for premium or for holiday pay, no? Especially, you'll not be compensated for that holiday. Okay, ato naman na discuss ato, di ba nga, dapat kung mo, for you to get paid on that holiday, let's say, like November 1, tayo butang, November 1, kung ginahan ka mo compensated anang November 1, even wala ka nag-work, make sure nimo nga ang October 31 ning trabaho ka. Unya kay exemption naman ang karon nga October 31, no, kay na may presidential decree, no, nga half day rata sa October 31 para at least maka-prepare pa ang uban nga mauli sa probinsya. Okay, so mo na siya ang ikuan sa president, no. So like before nga whole day ka mag-duty sa October 31. So October 31 half day ra ang classes, half day ra pud ang work. Okay? And then mo na siya. So kung double holiday pud siya, no, Monday, Thursday, Good Friday, so kung wala ka ning work anang Wednesday before the Monday, Thursday, wait lang, pwede mo ma-confuse. And next na ko ang person na Monday, Thursday, no, 2 successive regular holidays, no, double holiday siya, or 2 successive regular holidays, kaya double holiday is within the same day, if successive regular holidays siya, no, if ni-absent ka a day before, you will not be paid for those 2 holidays. Now, this is for daily paid employees, for example. Depende na po na kay naiuban cases, even if you're a monthly paid employee, you are still required to work a day before the holiday or else you will not also be paid. Okay. So in short, regardless if you're monthly paid or daily paid employee, you really have to work a day before the holiday. Kung di siya malikayan nga dili ka work a day before the holiday, like Wednesday is just like a regular day, for example, no? Yeah, maka-absent ka kay nakay dentist appointment, you just need to file leave with pay. If ning leave ra ka without pay, unsa kitong matabo, recap ra ni ha. If you file leave without pay on Wednesday before Monday, Thursday, and Good Friday, dili japon ka ma-compensated ani nga holiday, not unless you work on the first holiday, which is Monday, Thursday, so that you will be compensated for a holiday pay on the second holiday. So kung mahimo para compensated ka sa duha ka adlaw, if you're compensated if you want to be compensated sa two holidays, no, two successive holidays, ayun ang absent sa Wednesday, no, a day before Monday, Thursday. Or kung absent ka ni leave with pay, file kag leave of absence with pay. So again, let's proceed now with special non-working holiday. So no work, no pay principle applies to special holidays. And to ang gibalik no, 30% ang madungag. So pila ka percentage kung mga special non-working holiday and rest day? So that's 30%. Mahimo ra siya 50% or 1.5 or 150%. Okay, a total pay of 150% if ni-duty ka on a special non-working holiday that falls on a rest day. Asa taan nimo kuhag basis? You go again here in our DOLE handbook, go to night shift differential na section, and you go here. Memorize sa dyan ninyo. 150 also applies to double special non-working days. So 1.5 or 150%. In short, you will be given additional 50% plus your 100% nga daily wage. That's why it's equivalent to 150% or 1.5. So ang number ato ang i-compute ana ha, dili ang percentage pwede mo maglisod. Okay, so again, recap no, regular holiday gani times 2, that's 200% no, kay 100% is your daily wage on a ordinary day. Meaning, you are entitled to a compensation 100% sa imong daily wage. For example, your daily wage in adlaw nimo is 610. So 100% of that imong madawat anang adlaw. But okay, so medyo ubay-ubay ang hindi kasulod. Sige lang, it is okay. Naghangyo inyong classmates. Okay, so anyway, going back. Sige lang, skin few lang ang tawo ron. Basta recorded raman ni siya, you can just come back to this discussion no, through the video recording. So let us go back no. If you work on that day and it's an ordinary working day, wala man ka nag-overtime, and your daily wage, no, ang daily rate nimo sa mong sweldo, inadlaw nimo nga sweldo is 610, then you are compensated for 100% of 610, which is mo na siya, no, 610. But if you work on a regular holiday times 2, that's why it's 200%. Okay? So, ngayon abot man like 840. Now, this is your daily wage nimo siya multiplied by 2, no? There's a 200 no? 2%, 2 di ay rather no? 420 times 2, so that is 840. So times 2 na ang imuhang madawat on that day. Katulad last time ma'am, ga-add pa lagi ka ma'am sa iyang usual salary niya. Gi-add pa nimo sa katong computation katong na overtime. Siyempre kay inoras man to siya nga computation. Diba? Sige lang, we will get back to that, no? That's why katong inuras niya computation sa night shift differential niya, sa inuras niya computation for overtime. So mo to siya ang yang exact amount no nga madawat niya for 4 hours of overtime, niya i-add pa siya sa iyang daily nga salary. Okay? Kanino need naman kay times 2 raman or times 2.6. Wala man kanig overtime, regular hours raman siya. So mo nang ingani. So if regular holiday falling on a rest day, falling on a rest day, times 2 pod ang 30%, diba? Because if you can remember, ato ang mga premium pay is additional 30% to the 100% of your daily wage supposedly, diba? 130 unta siya. But by principle, it's just an additional 30%. Basta mo work ka during rest day or special holiday. So, gano ba sa premium pay, special holiday, rest day, additional 30%. Now, in this case, ngayon nahimo siya 2.6. Now, this is just a rest day. Diba kung regular holiday, 2. Nya kung rest day dapat, okay, times 2 man, no? Rest day dapat is uh, 0.3, no? 1.3 dapat. Per nga no, 6 man siya. It is because if regular holiday gani class, double ang pay nimo ana, nya kung rest day pa jud nimo which you are entitled for additional 30% of your salary, times 2 pa jud na siya. That's why it's 60. Okay? So if you convert it to number na, so it's 2.6. So 420 times 2.6, you will get 1,092. So again, dili naman, wala na tatong marag i-times pa sa number of hours, tapos i-add sa 420 because this is just for work, no, nga within 8 hours. Lapas nga anak, that's overtime. And then kung double holiday, this is where you got confused last time, no? Times 3 na siya. So mo niyang ma-bring home anang adlaw, no? Mo ni ang computation niya within that day if he or she works on a double holiday. No overtime. Okay? Kung special holiday, again, it's part of the premium pay because it's a special holiday. If it's a special working holiday, you are not compensated for additional 30%. No? It's in our Dolly handbook. Okay? Regular ang daily wage imong ma-receive na. If it's a special working day. But if it's a special non-working day or a special holiday or special holiday, special non-working day, so dira ka entitled to be compensated additional 30% sa imong daily wage. So again, the usual Japan, no, you multiply your daily wage of 420 times 1.3, that's 546. Special day falling on a rest day, based on our Dolly handbook, so again, no, it's 150 or 50% ang madungag sa imong daily wage, or if you convert to number, that's 1.5. So just multiply it and then maura na siya, no? Quite simple. Now, we got to the complicated part. This is when there is overtime. There is special holiday, overtime, regular holiday, overtime, regular holiday, special holiday, and overtime. This is where it gets difficult. Okay, so let me transfer this first. No, okay, before ako i-transfer daya ko ato sa ning i-segregate one by one. Since it's an ordinary day, based on our computation, no, guide computations nato sa Dolly handbook, it's equivalent to 1. Or in percentage, that's 100%. Okay? Sa ordinary day, gani, no, wala ka ning lapas sa 8 hours, you are, again, entitled to be compensated 100% of your daily wage. If you convert it to number, that's only 1, no? 1 multiplied by 1.25. Ngano man, if you can remember unsa ganito, basta overtime na siya duha na siya ka percentage, no? 25% or 1.25 ang ihatag nato sa overtime per hour if it's on an ordinary day. Pero pila gani ka percent if nag-overtime siya on a regular holiday or a special holiday or rest day. Pila gani ka percent? Is it still 25?
30 dan.
Correct, no? It is 30, no? Or 1.3, no? 130% or mo-add tag additional 30% or 1.3. No, that is correct, no? Thank you. So, kung ordinary day gani 25 ra. Pero kung special holiday, rest day that falls under premium pay, and holiday pay under ana isang regular holiday, o kana silang tulo 30% additional or 130% or 1.3. Okay. So, ari sa ta sa pinakababaw, no? So, 1 times 1.25. So, it is 1.25 ra Japon. Because it's an ordinary day, no? It makes sense nga wala may madungag sa ordinary day. Ang overtime ra ang madungag siyang sweldo. It's 1.25. Now, for us to know pila ang madungag sa iyang sweldo per hour sa iyang na overtime. Let's say ning overtime siya 2 hours after 5 p.m. Kang iyang regular shift is 8 to 5 p.m. No, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. That includes lunch breaks, no, or meal breaks. So lapas na ng 5 p.m. that and then 1 hour na siya nga ko ano. So, that is already overtime. For us to know pila ang iyang additional pay, so ito na itong gidiscuss pag last Tuesday, no? Pero ako lang siya pong balikon. So, 420 yung daily rate divided by 8 hours, no? Kay 8 hours the regular duty per day, number of hours of work per day, multiplied by 1.25 because this is for the overtime. That's equivalent to 65.625 per hour. Meaning, mo niyang madawat nga pay kada oras nga nag-overtime siya. So, what do you do after this one? Ang 65.625 per hour, you multiply it to the number of hours overtime. Okay. Number of hours overtime niya, ma'am, is kuan. 2. No? 2 hours. Kay ning out siya 7 p.m. So, imore nang i-times ang 65.625 sa 2 hours. So, he will get an additional 131 pesos 0.25. Now, dili na siya maoyahang madawat, no? I-add pa nato na sa iyang regular pay anang adlaw, which is ang 420. Kaya ang 131 pesos 0.25 centavos, mura ni siya ang nakuha niya nga additional pay sa 2 hours nga overtime. So, plus sa 420, ang iyahang ma-bring home ay ng adlaw, o pwede man po din ingana siya nga kada adlaw sa sildoan, no? Kuan man, 15:30 man na usually, no? So, at least na ay somewhat a difference, no? Kay on that day, instead nga 420 ra yang madawatan ng adlaw, may mo na siya 551.25. Asa taning kuan na 420 plus katong total sa 65.625 per hour times 2 hours ng overtime. Okay, let's now move on to the rest day or special holiday. Ato ang rest day, di ba? Take note, it's or. So, dili siya 1.5, no? If it's rest day and special holiday, 1.5 na siya. But since it's a rest day or special holiday, kaya take note ha, kay dili ra ba kanang nabi times nga muhatag ko og word problem. If John works on a rest day and a special holiday, then sa next na pod, if Anne works on a rest day or special holiday, no, kanang confuse ba. So you need to read also. So kung or ra gani, no, it's not and, so it's 1.3 ra. No, either rest day ni siya or special holiday. So since, no, ang ato ang percentage ana, no, ang additional nga pay nato ana if ting trabaho sa special holiday is 1.3 or 30%, so muna tong ibutang diri, multiplied by, so since nag-overtime pod siya, so like what your classmate said kanina, no, nga basta gani overtime on a special holiday or a rest day, 30% instead of 25 ang madungag. So 130 convert to number 1.3, so i-times na silang duha, that's 1.69 or 169%. So the usual, una ka imuha sa, so mo sa ning unahon ninyo ha, kani sa inyong hagpaton nya. Once you got the percentage already, dira na ta mo plaster kung pila ang inuras niya nga additional pay. So 420 daily rate divided sa 8 hours multiplied by 169 or 1.69 is equivalent to 88.725 per hour multiplied sa 3 hours of overtime. So sa hours of overtime ako ra pay mohatag ana, no? So kamo na bahala mo compute, no? So 88 times 725 per hour, then multiplied by 3 hours overtime. Once you will get the answer, i-add siya sa 420 nga daily rate. And that is the total bring home niya nga salary for that day. If it's a regular holiday, do not be confused. That's times 2 because it's a double pay. Regular holiday, double pay. Double holiday, triple pay. Wala siya. So, kung regular holiday, so double pay, that's 200 or i-convert to number, that's 2 multiplied by 1.3. Kaya again, no, it's a holiday, so 30% i-add for overtime. So, equivalent to 2.6 or 260%. The usual Rajapon nga formula. So, wala rin na usab. Ang naka-usab lang diri is muna siya, no, special, regular holiday, special holiday. So, ngano 2.6 asa taning kuhaan ni regular holiday is 2, di ba? 2 na siya. Special holiday is 1.3, no? But then again, mo times 2 man pud na siya ang 30% tungod sa kay 30% ra may i-add special holiday no. Mo times 2 man na siya tungod sa regular holiday. That's why it's 2.6. Okay? Or in short, you just look here. Dili na lang ka mulantaw, no? Regular holiday falling on a rest day, that's 2.6 or 260. And the same principle applies also for a regular holiday, which is also a special holiday, no? So, nagdungan ang regular holiday ug special holiday. Okay, that's why it's 2.6. No? Same principle also applies to regular holiday falling on a rest day. Then, overtime, so muna 3.38. And then, the usual Japon nga flow, I will no longer explain it, no? Sa kabalo naman mo, divide ang daily rate sa number of hours of regular work multiplied by the percentage aning mga holiday and overtime. Then, mo niya siya ang rate per hour. Then, you multiply this one kung pila ka hours of overtime and i-add ang daily rate. Okay? So, mo niya siya ang sample. Now, let's proceed to night shift differential. So, we discussed this already last meeting, no? It refers to additional compensation of 10% of an employee's basic wage for each hour work performed between 10 p.m. and 6 a.m. So, in short, 10% pandungag sa 100% of their regular salary. If i-add ito siya, 110%, convert to number 1.1. So, 1.1. How do we compute if it's a regular or ordinary day? So, 1 times 1.1, kay 1 is for the ordinary day, and then night shift is 1.1 because it's 110%. Convert to number, it's 1.1. So, i-multiply nimo na siya. Syempre, it's still 1.1. And then, sa'yo na kayo, no? Kuan ra, 420 times 1.1. So, 462. So, take note, in our Dolly handbook, wala nila stated, no? Okay. I have to, kay, medyo confusion siya kay, wala siya gibutang each hour unlike sa overtime, no? But you are compensated. Let us go back again to our definition of the night shift differential according to 86 of our labor code. So, tagaan mo og 10% sa regular wage for each hour of work, no? Each hour, do not forget this one, no? Each hour of work performed between 10 p.m. and 6 a.m. So, pretty much, no? Dili lang 462 ang iyahang madawat anang adlaw, abig ning duty siya 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. I-multiply siya po nato ni siya per hour. So, unlike again, no, unlike the overtime, we already know that 8 hours ang 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. including meal breaks. So, 462 times 8 hours. So, kamo na lang mo identify nga 8 hours, no? Di man siya pare sa overtime nga. Depende na sa employee pila siya ka oras mo overtime, pero with NSD or night shift differential, 8 hours yun na siya. Syempre, ngano ing ani man siya nga ma'am 8 hours of work man yung gi-render, lahi lang siya nga time nga ning duty. Syempre lahi biya ang work setup, graveyard siya, di ba? Night shift, no? So imagine nimo the usual human being would sleep at night, mumata siya buntag mag-work, pero sayahan na bali, no? Nimo siya nocturnal, and humans are not made as kanang humans are not fit as nocturnal beings, no? Siguro na ibang mga estudyante ang nagpulaw-pulaw, no? Pero again, dili rin siya like the regular na to nga sleeping hours, working hours, diba? Ang 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. That's why they will benefit 10% of the regular wage, no? 10% of the regular wage per hour. So dire 462 multiplied by 8 hours mo na iyahang madawat anang adlaw. And then, a rest day or special holiday. So, same job po, no? Pero nakalahi lang ang process lang with night shift compared to overtime. Fix na nga 8 hours. Pero kung mulapas gani siya nga, ma'am, mulapas sabi siya og 6 a.m. Maabot siya og like 7 or 8. lain na po din siya nga computation. You will compute na po, that's a separate computation na. That's the computation na for overtime. Dili na siya entitled to 10%. Lahi na po ta mo, agi na po ta sa same process but with overtime. Unya, i-multiply na siya for 2 hours. So, kanina ang computation niya for overtime. If lapa siya sa 6 a.m. and he works in night shift, no? Pero for night shift, mo na iyahang rate per hour for 62, okay, multiplied by 8 hours. So, 10% ang madungag. Okay, rest day or special holiday. So, 1.3 or 30% multiplied by 1.1, that's 1.43 or 143%. So, asa man yung ito no? Rest day or special holiday, 1.3 dyan na siya, no? Ang ato ang rate, ana, if you work on that specific day. Tapos, nag-night shift pa dyan siya. So, mo na siya gi-multiply, that's 1.43. And then, your daily wage, multiplied by 1.43, 600, ang imuhang, madawat, ana, no? Per hour. Regular holiday and night shift, so same ra Japon, times 2 ang salary multiplied by 10% or 1.10 1.1 ay rather, no, is equivalent to 2.2. And then again 420 your daily, that is your daily rate multiplied by 2.2 because that is the additional for regular holiday and night shift. So muna siya nga 924. Okay. So, visual class, same naman Japon siya, nakalahian lang, instead of 1.25, 1.3, so 1.1 na siya tanan. Okay. So, let's say the employee's basic daily rate is 420 and working from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. So, ordinary day, night shift, and overtime. So, modra po ni, so, kanitulo na ni kabuok, no? So, ordinary day, plus night shift, plus nag-overtime pa dyan siya. So, again, no, naanatay per hour nga rate. Ay, okay. So, diri is gi-add pa, gitingob niya si night shift. Oh, this is confusing, no? Kay, ngano gi-appeal niya si overtime. Night shift differential sa overtime nga. Covered naman for night shift differential is 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. But anyway, we'll just proceed na lang, ani. So, ordinary day is 1, then multiplied by 1.1, that's for night shift, then 1.25 since it's an overtime during an ordinary day. That's equivalent to 1.375 or 137.5%. And then again, the usual na itong ginabuhat is, for us to know pila ang per hour rate niya for overtime, is we divide our daily rate, kung pila ka number of hours per day, multiplied by 1.375, that's equivalent to 72.18 per hour. In this case, gi-appeal niya si night shift differential, no? But, dili na siya dili make sense on my end, no? But this is from Iwari Manggod, so di na ako i-question. Kay, supposedly Manggod, based on our guidelines sa DOLE handbook, nga you're only entitled to 10% of your regular wage, 10% additional to your regular wage, basta mo worker ka between 10 p.m. and 6 a.m. Beyond that, you will not be able to receive na your night shift differential. But in here, it seems that gi-carry niya, gidala niya ang night shift differential even if lapas na sa 6 a.m. No? Okay? Because we considered overtime if it is beyond the 8 hours working hours ni night shift, no? Kay 6 a.m. raman na kutob ang iyahang shift. Lapas ana, that is already overtime. For in here, in this case, gikarga Japon niya ang night shift differential. Pero sige lang, for the sake ng hindi po ma-confuse, ito na lang ikargahon, no? Swerte kay siya kay, masking lapas pa sa hours for night shift, na Japon siya 10% additional aside from yung overtime. Kay kani magkung 72.18 per hour, this is only counted for the hours rendered nga duty beyond 6 a.m., di ba? Kaya this is overtime already. No? Kaya mo na yung mga overtime manitanan. Sige lang kay official reviewer, mo guni sa Miwar, Hino niya, partner sa CHRA, sige na lang. Ito na lang ikoan. So, dili na siya mo stop, no? So, para dili yung maglibog guys, kay tulom siya kabuok. Immersion tag sa tagsaon. Pila gani ang rate kung ordinary day? Day 1. Kung night shift, day 1.1. Kung overtime, day 1.25. Kay syempre, ordinary day man siya. So, i-times na nimo ng tulo, dayon, you proceed with the usual formula kung mo compute ta sa overtime. Diri same man pod sa overtime, pero ang na problema lang is fix na ang 8 hours, no? Diri depende na sa mo lang gibutan siya per hour kay it depends kung pila ka oras mo overtime si employee beyond 6 a.m. Okay, confusing sila kay katupong guidelines sa DOLE wherein example mo start kasi mong shift 9 a.m. You're not entitled to that 10% night shift differential. So dapat same principle should also apply if it is also beyond 6 a.m. But in here gikarga Japon niya for overtime computation for night shift differential. But anyway, we will just proceed with this one na lang, no? Ato na lang kargahon. Kay, ang proper jud ani dapat is 1 times 1.1 and then mo yung computation for night shift differential. Then we have a separate computation na pod for overtime kay you will not be able to receive naman 10%, no? Kay lapas naman siya 6 a.m. Pero again, no, we will just follow this one kay mo may gihatag. Do you have any question before ta mag-exercises? We will work together on a formula to see if sakto ba ta. May question, guys? Nakasabot ra? If wala may questions, you can just click the raise hand, not raise hand, I mean the thumbs up button. If na ay question, pwede ra mo raise hand or unmute your microphone. Wala may pangutana. Sige, padayon ta. Ay, yes na ay question? Yes, Angeli?
Ang kuan ma'am ba, ang sa guidelines gud nimo ma'am kay na i-times pa di ba to ma'am kung pila siya ka oras ning
Overtime.
duty ra ma'am.
Kung
Yes
sa night
ma'am.
shift, kung pila siya ka hours nga duty kay 10% man na siya of your daily wage. Kung sa ano sa imong pasabot ang sa overtime kani siya?
Yes ma'am, kay di ba naaman to kuan pa di ba pareha na ma'am 610 ang yang minimum wage ma'am. Tapos i-divide nimo siya sa 8 tapos i-times nimo siya sa pila ka kuan di ba ma'am. Tapos kung unsay kuan dito ma'am, i-times pa gid nimo siya pila siya ka oras ning duty di ba ma'am.
That is for kung for overtime na gani, only the hours of work nga nag-overtime siya. Kung tulo ka oras siya nag-overtime kay 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. diri sa night shift differential is considered 8 hours na siya. That's regular hours of work. Kung malapas na dira pa na siya kani siya kaning 72.18 per hour, i-multiply nimo siya kung pila siya ka oras nag-overtime. So for example,
Okay ma'am.
So for example, kani 72.18 per hour, i-multiply nimo siya for 2 hours ra kay ning out man siya ini ka 8 a.m. So katurang hours nga nag-overtime siya dayang pag-compute ani. Kaling mo po lagi kung okay. Kasabot ra day.
Okay na.
So,
yes.
So diri ra ko lang medyo kanang naalay concern sa ilang gihatag nga formula ba kay kuan man good gi-appeal niya ang night shift differential sa pag-compute sa overtime. Kay kani man good dapat siya is within ra siya sa 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. nga 8 hours of work. Unya iyahang man gi-appeal ang overtime so makadawat siya punog 10% ang employee sa 7 a.m. to 8 6 to 7 o 7 to 8 niya nga 2 hours overtime. More na kung issue ani. Pero as usual jud day kanang i-multiply ra jud nimo siya sa pila ka oras siya nga overtime. So kani siya nga rate is mo niyang rate per hours overtime lapas sa 6 a.m. So dili jud ta nagka-issue sa night shift differential no kay again lahi man good ang computation na niya compared to the regular hours of work nga binuntag no or buntag nga trabaho kay tungod wala man tay additional 10% man good. Pero for the sake, hindi lang ta ma-confuse, kanilang ato ang i-follow na lang. And, again, kaning 72.18 per hour, 97.6 per hour, so on and so forth, i-multiply rin siya sa number of hours nga overtime. Dili ang 8 hours. Ang 8 hours para siya diri sa night shift. Okay, wait lang. Okay. Sorry. Let me correct the I made a mistake. For night shift differential, no need to multiply it to 8 hours. Just as is ra di ay ni siya. Ang i-multiply ra ninyo per hour is kung naa siya overtime. Let me just correct myself. No, so sorry. For night shift differential, no need to compute it per 8 hours, no? So, muna ni siya ang final answer. Okay, dili na ta mo time sa 8 hours ani. If wala siya overtime, if it's just a night shift during ordinary day, rest day, special day, mo overtime, mo compute ta og per hour, katong i-multiply nimo ni siya per hour no, nya i-add siya sa 420 kung naa siya overtime. So take note, mo multiply ta per hour kung ay overtime, pero kani siya to correct myself earlier, no, mo ni siya ang final answer jud. No need to times pa 8 hours and then add to 420 as is na ni siya. Okay ra, nakasabot ra guys. Questions na may gusto i-clarify? Ang basta na rin mga overtime ha, there na nga time nga mo times pa ta per kaning mo divide pa ta per hour, divide ta per 8 hours, multiplied sa pila niyang percentage, and then kung pila ang answer, mao pa na siya pag-multiply kung pila ang iyahang hours of overtime, 2 hours, 3 hours ba overtime, and then we add it to our daily wage. So, dira pa na siya mutaas. Nung mutaas siya ang formula kung na ay overtime. Pero for night shift, di ay sorry, as is, di ay ni siya. Have to double check on this one. Okay? So, mani siya sa overtime. So, na siya per hour rate. Nakasabot ra. Okay. So, let us have a very short kanang computation nga activity. Okay. So, we will start with ordinary day, 5 hours. Kanisha, we will do this together, ha? Wait lang. Gusto nang i-zoom in. Okay. So, ang yang daily rate is 610. And then, yung duty siya og ordinary day, overtime og 5 hours. So, let us compute number 1 together first para dili mo ma-confuse. So, syempre, it's an ordinary day. Overtime siya og 5 hours. So, how did we get to this? Okay. Ang rate sa ordinary day is 1, di ba? That's 100%. Multiplied by 1.25, that's equivalent to 1.375. Now, ang yang daily rate is 610 yung inadlaw divided by 8 hours. That's equivalent to 76.25. Then, we will get this one, no? Ang yang inuras nga rate and ang katoyang percentage dala sa overtime, i-multiply silang duha, you will get 104.843. So, sa cellphone ako nag-compute ha. If mo round off ra sa inyong calculator, that is okay as long as kani sakto ra, no? Multiplied it by 5 hours of overtime, meaning 5 hours beyond 5 p.m. sa yung regular hours of work. So, you would get 524.218. Now, i-add siya sa 610, kaya syempre, ang kanirang 524 is only compensated for the 5 hours of overtime work. So, syempre, entitled po Japon si employee sa 610 niya nga inadlaw nga sweldo sa 8 hours of work nga walay labot sa overtime. So that is why the result is 1,134.218. Okay. Now, in your own, no, sa tamo papel, you try to compute for this one, ordinary day night shift differential, and then, yes, na question.
Hello, ma'am. Good morning. I have a question, ma'am. Ang katong 1 times 1.25, ma'am. Anong 1.375?
This one. Ay, wait lang. Check
Oo,
ako
ma'am.
ha, kay basig na miscalculate ra na ako. 1 point. Sorry, wait lang. 1.25. Oh, sorry. That's 1.25 really ay. Sorry. Okay. Ako dong i-usab ha, kay na sayop na ko og compute. 76 times 25 multiplied by 1.25. Okay. Then dira pa ta mo compute for 5625. Okay, so instead of 1,134, it will be 1,086. Sakto ra sa inyong nga end? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry. Either lutang ko ani gabi or katulgo na jud kaayo. Okay, thank you for correcting me, Dai. Miss Bahana. So, this is the computation of for ordinary day with our overtime no for regular for ordinary day. So, 25 ra ang additional when you are mag 30% if it is a special holiday or a regular holiday or pwede pa siya sa rest day ang 30%. Okay, so on your end, you will try to compute this one together, no, ang ordinary day, night shift differential, and then ang ordinary day, overtime 2 hours, and night shift differential. For you to not be confused, you will just follow what is here, what is presented here for overtime with night shift differential. Arita, okay. So, i-add na lang po nato ang 1.1. I-apply nato og compute with our overtime na formula. Once we have overtime with night shift differential. Okay? And then regular holiday overtime 4 hours. So, please compute for the remaining, Kanisha, and then we will solve this one together. I'll just give you siguro, hopefully, 10 to 15 minutes is enough. Start lang ko sa timer, and then once you are done, no, so we will compute this one here sa online to see if check pod ang inyong answers. Okay? So, your time we'll start now. Okay. Does anyone want to volunteer? Ani sa'yo na kaning una. Actually, naman siya diri guys. Nari the ordinary day and then night shift. So, as usual, no, it is 1 times 1.1. So, dito na ikuan ha. Kailangan ko lang i-palakon ni siya. So, it's 1 times 1.1. Oh, so equivalent to 1.1 na Japon. And then, ang yahang daily rate is 610. So, i-multiply raman siya sa 1.1. Okay? After yung formula. Si ano ra ang nakahuman? Si Mace ang uban di ay. Nag-computer Japon mo. So, ang result niya is 671. So, unsa to ang basis? Oh, when you look at our formula here, oh, maora man na Japon siya, no? Ang nausabra is ang rate. No? 610 ang yung daily rate. Okay? O, sa second daw. So, Miss Bahana, would you like to volunteer? Let us
Okay, try
for
na ako,
ordinary day
ma'am.
pila man.
For ordinary day, ma'am, we have 610.
610. So, ay start ta sa ato ang percentage, no? So, 1 siya, di ba? And then next ana, we will go with night shift differential. That's 1.1. And then overtime 2 hours. O pila gani basta ordinary day? Pila ang percentage nato ana? Okay,
1.25.
1.25. Okay. Sige. And then, sige to Dai, can you dictate it to me?
Ako, ma'am, duha na ko siya solve.
Sige.
Ang unang gibot mo, kuha sa ako ang night shift. Then, plus
Overtime.
ako ang
That is the
overtime.
correct way unta. Sige, go. So, we go
Sige,
to
ma'am.
the night shift.
So, unahan sila ko. So, for the night shift, ma'am, kay 610 times 1.1 equals 671.
Okay.
And then for the overtime is 610 divided by 8 hours times 1.25 times 1.1, it equals 104.84375.
104 point
84,375.
375
Then times 2 hours.
times the 2 hours overtime.
Yes, ma'am. That's 209.6875.
209?
9. Ma'am.
209.675.
6,875, ma'am. And then, ima siya i-add sa 671. Ay, sa 671 pa, ma'am.
Okay, with the night shift differential.
Then, ang answer kay 880.6875.
880.
Then, plus the 610 na ordinary day. So, yung overall rate kay 1,490.6875.
675.
6875, John.
Okay, thank you so much, May. So, let us try to check with the traditional way of, like, based on the Miwari's formula, no? Nga i-add tanan ang rate niya, dayon usa pa siya i-divide by 8, i-add ang complete tanan, and then i-divide per hour. So, let us try to check, no? So, ang Maze is iyahang gi-separate, no? Gi-separate niya ang ato ang night shift differential, and then she computed separately for the overtime, then usa niya gi-add tanan. So she got 1,490. Okay, so tong actually there's nothing wrong with the computation man, pero let us check with the lang dire. Or let us compute it together with the percentage first. So 1.1 i-multiply nimo siya sa 1.25, so that's 1,000. Dili na ko ang 1,000.375, no? Naguna-una na ko og compute sa lain nga time. So anyway, unsa to siya? Okay, after ana tong 610 ni divided to 8, then multiplied sa 1,000.375. So syempre ang iyang hourly rate, if we divide our daily rate, no, sa 8 hours, 76.25. And then right after, we multiply this one to 2 hours nga overtime. Sorry. Multiplied pa di ay, sorry. Multiplied 76.25 multiplied sa 1.375. 375. So, makuha na to. Sakto ang answer ni Miss Bahana, no? Kay 104.84375. 104,843.75. Ano na point man ko? Brain is not braining today. And then, after ani kay mo naman yung rate niya, no? Per overtime, per hour, multiplied niya siya sa 2 hours overtime. So, we got, so correct Japon si Mace, no? 209.6875. So, we add, unsa ang ato ang i-add, ani? So, ato ang i-add ni siya sa ato ang 610. So, I think there's murag extra, kung ano ni siya extra step na ni siya ang 671. But, I do understand that this is only for the night shift, di ba? This is for the night shift, while this one is for the overtime. But, we no longer need to add siguro kay na-carry naman diri sa overtime sa 1 point, no, sa night shift differential ang 1.1. So, we will just add it to our regular nga
Ay, ang pagsabot ako, ma'am, kay ning night shift siya for 8 hours, then yung
plus
plus
2
2
pa
pa
din
din siya,
siya.
ma'am.
Ah,
Mo ako pagsabot. Dili di ay.
Okay.
Ina na, ma'am.
Para dili unta manglibog, separate man siya tani siya, no, supposedly ang computation sa night shift kay 10% man siya kay mo man no 671 yung ma-receive anang adlaw. So ang i-add aniga is ang 600. Oh, okay. Wait lang, di man siya regular kuan pod. So ang i-add ra ani sakto ni siya 710. Kay ang 610 is for ordinary day, but it's a night shift differential man good. So ning start siya og 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. plus nag-overtime siya 2 hours. No need na ka mo add og 610. So sakto na ni siya ang kaning 880. And then
Okay,
correct
ma'am.
ni siya nga imong gi-separate ka this for night shift differential. So kani siya na add naman. Mo na yang rate anang 8 hours pa daan niya plus kani pa jong overtime niya nga rate. So this is the overtime rate sakto ka ani nga part Mesos 209 sa 2 hours niya nga overtime and then 671 sa iyang night shift nga work. So kutabra 880 6875 ang iyahang salary. But nevertheless no correct ang
Okay,
imong
ma'am.
although kana ang imong approach is imo siyang gihagpat una but it is still the correct answer. No, our procedure may be different but it is still correct. Okay? So thank you so much. No, very good, Miss Bahena. Okay, so kinsa pa ang ganahan mo volunteer sa regular holiday kani? Sayon ra kay ning regular holiday overtime ra siya 4 hours. Dira man ta maglibog sa kaano gikuha na ni Mace ang complicated part. Asakto ra sa inyo nga end students or na confusion pa Japon kay sa combinations. Okay, Mace got it the first time. How about the rest? Oh, give me your honest answers kung magkan. Sige, Edgine. Mo-
Try na
okay,
ko
dili ka
damay sa
overtime.
mga
Sige. Maging anita sa kuan ha sa Tuesday maghimo na po kog lain niya. Lain-lain nga combination na uban sayo na uban lisod. So, para maanad mo. Sige, dai, go ahead, Edgine.
Sige daw, go ahead, Audrey. Sige daw. Ang sakuan dam kay una ang katong 2 times 1.3 equals 2.6.
6. Okay. Ano? Okay. Overtime 4 hours.
Okay.
Pero,
Dayon dam
sige,
katong
madali lang.
600.
Pero, later na tayo mag-kan. Sige, go, dai. Dayon.
Dayon dam 610 divide 8.
610 divided by 8.
So equals 76.25.
Okay.
Nya gi-times nako sa 2.6 dam.
Pila man ang iyahang
Kuan 198.25.
198.85.
Dason sa gi-times sa 4 hours nga overtime dam. Kuan 793. then plus sa
So sirado
610.
ra siya 693. Wala na siya ikuan. Mga point,
Oh, ma'am.
plus 600.
Then 1,403 na iyahang kuan dam.
1,403. Okay. Let me just check balik sa ato ang kuan ha. Regarding sa overtime, regular holiday, overtime. Okay, thank you so much, Aday. So, ang overtime na to, Day, if it's a regular holiday, dili siya... Okay, sakto ra di ay. 2.6610. Okay, atong i-compute together ha. So, after ang i-double check ang answer ni Edgin. Thank you so much, Edgin. So, 2 times 1.3, that's 2.6. And then, again, sakto ang iyang gibuhat, no? Nga ang 610 daily rate, gi-divide niya sa 8 hours. And then, that's 76.25 multiplied by 2.6, the combination of regular holiday and overtime. And then, that is 198.85. Sa iya ha, 85 today, no? 198.85. Sa kuha diri is 25. Oh,
25 dam.
Koan. Okay, and then multiply it sa 4 hours, 793 sakto plus 610, correct, because that's the regular rate for 8 hours, and then 1,403, correct answer. Okay, thank you so much, Edgin. So sakto ra ang nakuha pod sa uban. Okay.
Yes,
As
dam.
man madapit naglibog, ang combination sa jud medyo libog jud, no? Dira jud mag-struggle ang uban. So this is correct. Also ordinary day, sakto pod. Same goes with ordinary day night shift differential. Okay. So any questions or things that you would like to clarify? We will have the same exercises in Ika Tuesday. So ana nga point no mohatag ra kog examples, and then it's a combination nga naay tagtulo, naay tagduha. So sagol na siya lisod ug napay iban nga complicated. There will be like overtime, regular holidays, double holidays. So make sure lang jud ninyo nga kani siya, guys, kani siyang sa talapit. Sorry. Paternity leave naman ko eh. Mabuti na sa mga leaves unya ang mga number of weeks na pud ang inyong i-memorize, no? Pila ka months ang leave sa maternity, single parent leave, special leaves for women. Unya na finals na lang na siya. Kanilang usa for midterm. So kanila sa inyo i-familiarize, because I will not be giving any like ing ani no nga tag 1.3, 1.5. Balik ka mo na ani ang mo familiarize. So I will allow for Tuesday lang nga wala nga naalang mo murag index card pero kanira ang nakasulat. Allow lang sa ko kay para bisan maglibog ang uban ba. So mo allow sa ko nga magsulat mo sa index card aning mga guide computations for different days to help you with this one, no? Kay actually sayo naman siya kung kabalo mo pila ka percentage for overtime, for night shift differential. Ang uban nga kanang confident na nga i-memorize, pwede ra jud, no? Basta sakto ang yung answer, no? Like anyway, dili mo kayo nga naka-strict sa flow, no? Sa inyong pag-compute, basta pag double check lang nako na same sa katong gimo ni bahana nga yang gi-separate una, no, lahi ang yahang way, wala niya gitingob ang 1.1, okay ra na siya. Actually dili man kayo nako matter ang unsa ang inyong process sa pag-compute as long as correct answer, and once nga i-double check nako ang inyong formula, sakto ra pod ang numbers, no? So again, ang only thing nga allowed ra mo to write in your index card is the guide computations mo ni siya. So no need na kani mga premium pay nga guides, no? Kay sobra na jud kay kasayon kung napadjud mo ing ani. Kani lang dayon ka muna bahala plastar. Ang akong ihatag is ing ani, no? Muhatag ko sa daily rate, and then unsa siya, no? Ordinary day ba siya, special day, regular holiday. So we'll do some exercises together para maanad mo, and then we can solve it together as well. But you will do that individually, no? Meaning, tagaan ta mo ging ani sa screen, pero kamoy mo solve on your own, no? Dili magkopyahan na sa tapad para makat-on pod mo. And after ana, ato ang i-check if sakto ra ba inyong gi-answer. So, you'll be receiving points ana, pero dili siya totally considered as a quiz, no? Mura siya og kanang learning exercises lang. Okay? Para at least maanad pod mo sa compute ba. Inig ka balik na to, no? I don't know lang if makakuan pa ba ta, makapa-quiz pa ta one last time before we have our midterm exam. Magpa-quiz na jud ko, unya wala na index card. Okay? Magpa-quiz na ko, inig ka balik after fiesta, wala na index card, naka-memorize na siya. This will be before our midterm exam. So, naka-memorize siya, wala index card, wala ko ihatag nga mga percent, kanira kong ihatag. Daily rate. Pila ka oras overtime. So, nakasabot ra, guys. Yes, question? Na ay gusto i-clarify? Yes, Angeli?
Ma'am, galibog ko sa number 2.
Okay. Ako ang balikon. Asa mo kadapit naglibog, day?
Katong sa kuan man ba, di ba, lahi ni Miss Bahina ang 610, ikuan siya sa 1.1, ma'am.
Oo.
Tapos, i-add ra Japon din na siya sa 610 divided by 8 times 1.
Okay,
Asa to? 1.25 times 1.1. I-add ra Japon din siya, ma'am.
sa iya kay sa overtime rate man ni. Pero actually, same ra man gud Japon, no? I-add ra Japon na to ang 671. Kayo ako wala mo gud ako gi-compute ang iyahang overtime rate. Overtime iyang night shift differential kay kani man kung 209 is iya ning bring home kay maglain po kay 209 ra yang madawat, diba, if maora ni siya ang yang ma-receive for that day nya. Atong i-remember nga ang 209 is only counted for the 2 hours nga overtime. So kani siya nga computation niya para dili mo maglibog. Medyo na-confuse mo ara nga part, no? Sa to dapit na ra. So, night shift differential, this is kung walay overtime. So, gi-divide ra siya, gi-multiply ra siya sa 1.1. So, man niyang rate sa 8 hours niya nga work. Unya, kay nag-overtime man siya, so, madungagan siya og kaning 72.18 per hour. Nya kani siyang 72.18 per hour, sayara ning overtime. So, gamay ra pod kaayo if 209 pesos ra ang iyahang ma-bring home within that day. Maski nag-overtime siya 2 hours and night shift differential siya. So, it makes sense nga mo add tag 671. In my own formula, wala na ko siya compute dire, pero ang how do we get 671? Syempre, ang 610 nga daily rate multiplied by 1.1, that's 10% over night shift differential, mo na ni ang total answer. And then our rule or principle, every time that we compute for overtime, i-add na to ang additional pay for overtime plus the rate niya nga ma-receive within that day. Since ang 671 mo niya hang rate anang 8 hours of work, so nadungagan na 61 pesos tungod sa 10% nga na-add tungod sa night shift differential. So kaning 671 mo niyang daily rate with the night shift differential gi-add sa 209 nga computation sa iyahang overtime nga 2 hours. So in my case gitingob na nako siya diri, no. Sakto man ang iyahang pag-compute diri lang niya gi-add ang 1.1 kay wala man niya gi-times ang 1.1 ug 1.25 daan, gi-separate niya, no. So diri niya gi-add. Pero actually kung i-times nimo ning duha 1.375 mil Japon ang mogawas. Iya ra gi-segregate. Unya, ang wala na ko napakita diri is wala ko nag-compute sa night shift differential ning lahos ra ko. Pero the night shift differential should be added with the overtime. So, ang iha diri na confuse sa mga part kay gi-separate niya ang 1.375. So, mag-same ra gud mi og flow ni Miss Bahena good galing sa kani nga case is gi-segregate lang niya. And then, she also computed separately for the night shift differential. In my case, ning shortcut ra ko, wala ko nag-compute na. So, dapat ani nagbutang ko diri sa babaw og 610 times 1.1. set aside ayon ni siya. This is for night shift differential. And this is for computation sa NSD with overtime. Nakasabot ra? Okay.
Okay na, ma'am. Thank you.
Luwi po kay siya 209 ra yung madawat, no? Overtime ramang good ni siya good. Although nakarga lang noon ang night shift diri, no? Pero sige lang, ato na lang ikarga kay moment to gi-present sa sample. Kay ang overtime only works unta ang dito ra manggug ko ning medyo ning question ani ba kay ang gikarga ni siya ang overtime manggod nga rate kuyog sa night shift differential unya kay basta mo ingon di kag overtime lapas na sa 6 AM. It's not covered unta sa NSD pero sige lang ato lang ni i-follow para di mo ma-confuse. Oh, so sakto ra actually ang method ni Miss Bay nagi-segregate lang jud niya ang duha kay actually di naman nato ka naman jud ni ang 1 no naka-confuse mo sa 1 pero once gani imo siya i-multiply aning duha mo ra man japon ang makuha nimo no 1.375. Okay, kay i-multiply sa 1 itself ra man japon ang result no. So muna siya. Okay ra? Wala na nabutang ang 1 pero mora japong storyahan no. Sige ibutang pa ang 1 guys. Mora japon ang result. Okay na? Some more questions? Studyuhan lang ninyo para kuan ba? Studihan lang ninyo para makakuan mo. Maka-familiarize. Pwede pa ta magkuan ha kay sa kadaghag numbers no. Sing kita gani mismo di pod ko kalikay sa mag-jumble pod akong number. So okay ra magdala ta og index card. Dili ko digo ha. Basin niya nagtago-tago ra mong cellphone sa notebook. I will no longer allow you to take the activity. No? May deduction na daan sa midterm. So you have to work on this honestly para kamo maka-cut-on pod mo. Okay? So inig quiz na to again, balik ko no, wala na index card. So memorize on jud ninyo for our second quiz ani or second activity na jud nga without index card muna na siya ang katong like formal quiz na jud siya. Sa Tuesday mo siya mahulog nga exercises. Nakasabot ra guys. Some more questions if naa pa, na may gusto i-clarify. Wala na. Okay, wala naman, no? So, thank you so much, everyone. Kindly give me thumbs up if nakasabot ra sa ato ang session rong buntag. Okay, so thank you so much for joining me this morning. I know nga, maot kayo ang panahon, no? Ang uban ka brown out pud sa ilahang lugar. So, I do appreciate your presence this morning. Don't have to worry, we can review this this class kay this is recorded man Japon. So if you want to go back ani available ra ni siya in our Google Classroom later on, no? I will upload this after the session. So you'll have our attendance checking. Itang for awal na pangitaan sa nako yung attendance sheet ninyo. Okay. So once I call your name, you can click the raise hand button ha. Ang uban nga wala diri pwede ra ma-consider basta catch up lang jud no for our Tuesday face-to-face nga activity. Bring calculator or koan. Pwede ra man cellphone, no? For sa exam kay naaman tay identification pud ana kung makaabot pa ta sa mga different types of leaves. So, if dili gani, di compare computations lang, di okay ra if cellphone. Patangtang lang ako ang koan ha. Patangtang lang ako ang SIM kay basin mag-data mo chat sa classmate sa answer. Pero if possible, kuan na lang ta mag-calculator kay para dili mo magsige og kuan. Manghulam na lang mo sa inyong uban nga. Pero dili pwede hulman na og calculator ini ka exam ha. Even on Tuesday, you have to bring your own. Today is 24. Again, once I call your name, kindly click the raise hand button. So we start with Caballero, De La Rosa, Vidal, Valdez, Alporo, Armada, Bahena, Batayola,
Ma'am, na-siya message nimo sa GC, ma'am.
okay. Benigay, Kabisan, De La Torre, Lambayong, Oliverio, Pantiliano, Rico, Soria, Villadar, Villacampa, Arbolado, Mondido, Villegas, Capilian, Bargamento, Gamuza, Nalzaro, Nanalabe, and Cantones. Okay, thank you so much everyone for joining us this morning. So for the rest nga kato nag-message na ko, your excuse raman from the class. We understand with the weather today no nga dili jud strong internet connection. Again, just make sure lang jud nga makaapas lang sila sa tuang activity by next week, okay? So thank you so much everyone. Keep safe, stay dry. Bye-bye everyone.